Okay, hey, hold on, wait. Okay, yeah, so today, I came back from a spring dance. Yeah, it was fun. I'm gonna get into that, all about it. Yeah. Okay, hold on, let me go get the pictures. Okay. Okay. So, I, took a picture with my friend. Yeah. So, but I didn't get to take it with my best friend because she left before, because we were in line for like hours, and then she had to go. So it's sad. Yeah. Okay. Well, like TGIF. Yeah, today's Friday. Okay. So, today, I'm gonna like get into you about um. I didn't post videos. Well, I didn't post videos because I got sick for like 4 weeks. And then, okay, so I'm gonna get you updated on my Paris themes. Wait, wait. Haven't told you guys about my Paris theme. I'm having a Paris theme. See, I got a little bad thing, but it doesn't have. It's not even set up yet. So, and then I got this, and then my noodles right there, and then I got this little Persian blanket that you can like play it again. Okay, so let's just listen to Pandora and everything. I'm so bored. Thumbs up if you are bored. Okay, what should I post about? I don't know. Well, yeah, I'm gonna post videos on Saturday and everything. Bye.